Today, we're sliding into some food in Roaring River, Westmoreland.
Spicy and nice.
I made a visit from all different countries, Canadian, German, people from Europe, England, Italian, Belgium, Switzerland, Spain, all the world, man.
Located in Petersfield, in the parish of Westmoreland, Roaring River was once part of the Roaring River Estate, one of the largest sugarcane plantations in the 17th century. The Roaring River and the Roaring River Cave is now an attraction for locals and visitors. The cave is about 70 feet deep, and the springs are said to be well over 120 feet deep.
Look at nice, look at mullet. River mullet in there and everything. Wow. Rasta cloth. We're at Roaring River, about to go look for some food on the riverside.
Something simple to eat, like some fried chicken. Yeah. You need rice or no rice?
Just some chicken and a bit of rice would be fine.
Only $10.
Right on the river, when you come inside, there's a cook shop here. Them have pork, them have fried chicken, them have jerk chicken. Well, no, pork not ready yet. Go under, I'm opening up the kitchen. Respect my boss. So what that place your name, man?
Roaring River, man.
Yeah, well, I know what the place name where you're...
Earl and Diane restaurant and bar.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken, that looks spicy and nice, well seasoned.
Yeah, man.
Might have to take a piece of that for try on the video, you know.
I see that now we have a pork over there, so I marinate. Go up on the grill same way.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You can smell the seasoning in that already. Yeah, man, you're active with the seasoning. All the ribs over the side, and that look like a one piece. So how long that go take before?
Up on the grill more and put there now, people.
Yeah, go warm the feet there, right, sir.
I tell you.
Let me fry one man.
Alright, fried chicken, myself. Yeah.
Fully active.
Yeah, man.
Rice and peas.
Oh, alright, my boss. Yes, what, man.
But the pot of rice take a dent already.
Yeah, man.
Wicked.
Yeah, man, I got some cold food right, that's the same way.
Cold foot?
Yeah, man.
Nah, brother.
Yeah.
Everyone without full on them, man.
Yeah, man.
That's the gravy.
Yeah, man, that's sauces.
Pot of pork right here, so there's a bubble up and in the smell alone.
That's great, man. That was very much.
Well,
This is some jerk sauce that I made.
that's your jerk sauce.
Yeah. I will try it.
Well, we need a piece of jerk chicken then.
Yeah, man.
I forget a piece of jerk
Chef
chicken.
can't tell her name.
Chef, give me the name already, man. All the name of the place and
Flying
everything.
saucer, man.
Fly-
Yeah, man. You
all
flying
right.
saucer, man. Yeah, man.
Spaceship.
Yeah, man.
You watch it on YouTube, you know.
Eh?
You're the other guy. Here, I watch you.
Give thanks, thank you.
You're the last time I watch him.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, you soon see him on YouTube now.
They find me here, and I have to know this myself. Yeah. It's on all boats.
Everywhere. And we know with our Roaring River.
Yeah. That's a small word.
Jamaica, you know. one man we have to travel it.
Yeah.
This guy just advised me here and I said, I know this guy.
Delicious, man.
Yeah, man, you're welcome, man. Yes.
People, they go crazy for that jerk
For
sauce.
the jerk sauce?
Yes. they
Spice.
go Spicy and nice.
Alright, we have to check
Real
that
jerk
out.
sauce. Yeah, people want to take it back to America.
Yeah. I say it very
Personal sauce.
Yeah.
Personal sauce.
Secret sauce.
Yeah, just
Right.
straight from the hand. I want to go.
Sauce,
Yeah, man.
You start a fire now.
Yeah, man,
Put it
pork,
back to
sir.
chicken, Dada. When I know
Man,
fried
some more
chicken.
jerk chicken and like that.
No, man, I jerk for that.
But he has to be on time for that. So he handling operations.
Which is the problem, because even something I said that the one person who
Yeah, man, that's
like,
so.
the contract went to the house, there's going to be a truck a week and they're renting 2 boards. A 3rd board is going on.
Ready to go on the bill.
Yes,
No.
man.
Is that Rain is the main person. Rain is the biggest man.
Make the fire catch up at the come on.
Yeah.
Burn off the plastic and.
There you go.
Yeah, man.
Flying saucer, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Spaceship.
Yeah,
UFO.
I don't even want you to be.
For sure. But
Yeah, I want those up,
I say, oh, I have a tennis court. It's like those things out of time.
It smells like a cooler that's over there. Wha Gwann over there.
JV, that.
Yeah, man.
JV.
But it's like,
Nah, let's go, you know?
I'm going to ask if I eat that.
But yeah, you gotta have guys who can do it. You can't go without.
The instructor can't be falling off of the fucking board. I've done it before, and it took me 40 minutes to feel comfortable. And that's not comfortable enough to teach. That's comfortable to stand up on the board.
This jerk chicken.
Well, then from a tour perspective,
We see right
people
now.
aren't gonna know how to do it.
Which means
How long is the tour? They're gonna, by the time the tour's over, they're just gonna
No,
figure out
hey.
how to get on board.
Now, fine?
File, brother.
Alright.
I go.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Put him on me and my bun up me and me good.
a lot of people, when you're observing things, the first time you really, you don't get it. But this is easier because the momentum carries. Once you actually start, you're good. But getting from somewhat to it takes something. And more than skill, it takes some getting used to. Because it feels abnormal.
Now, how about the water bike?
That's it. That's it. But again, that one actually, when I was in San Diego, I went on
Alright, so I have to get the, let me get this jerk chicken here. Whoa, you. And it's juicy, it's spicy, it's holding everything that I need, and the sauce that I'm putting on it. Yeah man, it well proper. The sauce is amazing for you. Yeah man, the sauce.
Yeah, man.
The sauce I hit man.
I the people
Yeah,
I'm
man.
talking about.
Yeah, man, I saw some of everybody at top.
No, no, no.
What man there? What your name?
Sauce.
Flying sauce at the
Definitely apply. Not too spicy. Very nice heat, but a lot of flavor in there. The flavor is what really makes it good. The chicken is perfectly seasoned. Light seasoning, but very well marinated. So right down to the bone, you're getting that flavor. You're getting that jerk chicken flavor right down to the bone. And it really is just soap. And even underneath in the grooves, you have that. Man, putting foot in the chicken, it's spicy right now. Hold on, the pork not gone on yet, because you might have me a kick back away from the pork now. That chicken is amazing. Really good jerk chicken. Really good jerk chicken. Right in the community, right along the riverside. Come down, you know, people all around enjoying the spot, having a swim, having a drink. You know, put a bone. Careful of them fine bone. Yeah. Pepper, the sweat, the mud, getting all sorts of flavors. The juice of the chicken. Oh, it's really just. It's. Sauce.
Okay, Lloyd. We want to bonnie pot our chicken doing. We want to well done.
You know, the pork straight out to the pot.
Early. Ready to beat it up.
Yeah, man, my piece that.
Oh, good fried chicken.
So lock him down, make him go and smoke. Come on. Good energy, good vibes, you know. Pepper soak, go beat off in the river. Give thanks. Yeah, man, every time.
Come on.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, this chap here.
Yeah.
One of my trainees. Yeah, I train up this guy here, that trainer.
Yeah, man.
My name is Lloyd Bassel.
Right, boss. Mr. Boss.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Good. A popular name you have, you know.
I tell you right around the block.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Right
Bassel
around
them.
the block, man. Right
Yeah,
around.
man.
I made the visit from all different countries, Canadian, German, people from Europe, England, Italian, Belgium, Australia, Spain, all the world, man. Remember that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm a frontline guy, I don't do wrong. From the back of those days. From back of those days.
Yeah.
We use the back of torch and they visit right around the globe. Now we have electric light.
Electric light can
Electric
use.
light we got now.
I still I use bucket torch to catch crab.
Yes, man. Yes, man. We use this here.
Still I use bucket torch to catch crab, man.
And search the river during the night and
Yeah.
use back and forth, same way.
Yeah, man.
I tell you the truth, man. When the current gone, we still use the back and forth.
Yeah, man. 100%. Yeah, man.
What's your name, man?
Matthew.
Matthew.
Yeah, man.
Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John.
So me put on the park and name with me and while I got it.
True, true.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna get some more by river.
Eh?
Get some between us.
Get that already, man.
Yeah, man.
What are the others? No, I'm been done. I thought you guys were talking.
We work, man. We good. Easy. Ah, you get your own. You get. Yeah, man.
Cow foot, no. How look that look like little curry pony?
Curry.
A curry cow foot?
Wick.
Ratty.
You catch a pot, man.
So gummy and nice, man.
Look on the right time, man.
You want it in so much like good though. Yeah, man.
Food to make your honey body, you know.
You edit that up, but I'm keeping that in there.
What?
Big up yourself, you know, heart of love, you know,
Yeah,
man.
man, every time.
Yeah, man.
Let's see you know. Yeah,
When it drop, make sure you see it.
yeah, man, me I see it.
Alright. That's up every time, Mr. Basso. Yeah, man. And I have to check this place
Yeah,
out.
man.
Right on the Roaring River. Right at the bar. Manners and respect here. Bless up. Heart of love. Cherry right on the river. Cherry tree right here. That's the cherry tree. Couldn't pass the cherry from the cherry tree and not driving. This is something from childhood. Some of the best juice is cherry juice. That's some of the best juice that has pure richness of vitamin C. Good for your skin, good for every little part of you anytime you have a cold, and just so refreshing. It's kind of green, but I couldn't pass it. There's only one. Hold on there. I'm gonna check if I have no worm. Hopefully it don't have no worm. Sour. Yes, my boss, heart of love. Respect, man.
Yeah, I don't see all the way for the channel.
Give thanks, man.
Yeah, man,
Yeah, nice, man.